How to clear your Claude AI memory. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for Claude AI and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, then simply select Settings. Inside here, simply select Capabilities and just click that. You want to go ahead and simply find Memory section. If memory is enabled, you'll see all information that Claude has saved from previous chat. To remove a specific memory, you want to go ahead and simply tap on delete or trash icon next to that memory. If you like to remove all memory at once, you want to go ahead and simply reset memory and confirm your choices. You can stop Claude from creating a new memory in the future. To do so, you can simply turn off this button that says generate memory from chat history. Once that's done, Claude will stop saving new memories and your existing memories will be cleared. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.